This is the NAKO vacuum cleaner. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use this to clean the inside of your car. So it comes with this and then the brush, and then it comes with the connector for the cigarette lighter. So let's go in this video now. Watch as I clean the inside of my car. You can see here, see sand. You can see sand everywhere. So I'm going to connect this to the cigarette lighter now and then start using the machine. So you can see it's connected to the cigarette lighter. Then the thing is to connect this. So I will now start vacuuming. So this is the switch here. This is the switch here. So I'll press it on and it will start vacuuming. So watch. So you can see this side here has a lot of sand. These are the difficult places to clean. So watch as I clean it up now. Can you see? I can remove this and use the brush instead. So this brush will scrub that area. Let's see how it works. See how clean it is now? Not a single sand there anymore, you see. So when you are done, you press here and you open it, and then you can see the dirt, you throw it away. So you can also use it to clean the inside of your vents, or these hidden corners, and then all through these very difficult places to reach in your car. You can see, you can use it all through to clean using this to mop it up. Why this is a unique brand is that it has an inbuilt fan and heat sink. While you are using it, you'll feel the breeze blowing from these two sides. That's to prevent the machine from getting excessively hot and increase its durability. So place your order. We only have about 100 pieces going at this promo price.